Hey everyone, welcome to another fresh lecture of NumPy. And in this lecture, we will actually see about some Boolean value and Boolean indexing actually. How does it work actually? If you're dealing with number, then we can actually deal with text also, or some conditions where we have a string. So let's do that. Let's import our the lovely NumPy, and it has been imported. Now, what we do? We are creating names names, and in which we will give some name. Uh, Bob, then this Bob, and Bob, will then okay, our actually array of names. Okay, this is actually array of names. Okay, equal to Bob's. Okay, now actually Bob. Now wait, why does no? I should not do this. Okay, I made some mistakes. Okay, I want to tell you. Okay, so Boolean indexing. Okay, what actually Boolean indexing is? So, in Python, what Boolean is actually true and false. We have two options, true or false, and we have to choose according to the our this value that is it true or false. So we will tell with an example, which is nothing but a for it, and we will give it some number. The 2D array 0, then 4, 5, then 2 and 3. We have data. Okay. Now what we want is that should be equivalent to them. So let's assume a scenario that there are some person who visit to the ATM machine. Okay? There are some person who visit to the ATM machine. Whenever they visit, whenever they visit the ATM machine and they come out, then their data entries are stored, and their data entries are stored in the way that their names are stored. Their names are stored. Like whatever whoever person went to the ATM, their name would be stored, and how much amount they have withdrawn and how much amount is saved in their account. Okay, how much amount is there in account? It is stored actually because you need to keep the data of the who came and got the money and back. So like that. Now the Bob, it is corresponding to 1 comma 2. This list. Okay, this error, and this error tells us about how much amount did he left is left in his account and how much amount did he withdraw. Okay, so it is a corresponding to the same. So that's why we have four elements here, four elements here, four elements here. Okay, we have like this. We have four elements here and four elements. This is corresponding to their names that how much amount has left in their account and how much amount they withdrawn. Okay, so now what we want actually that tell me, okay, if 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 Bob has went to ATM and then what is the amount did he withdrawn and what is the amount is left in his bank account. So we will do some conditions actually that we want actually the data of Bob. You don't want actually the everyone's data. We want actually the name of Bob. Now we can see that Bob has went twice. Once here, once here. Yeah, I can definitely go his given condition in which that we want data. Okay, we want the data, and this is the actually the amount that he is left in his account and how much amount did he withdraw. It is the data of this. So if give me the data when Bob went to the ATM and got the money. How will you do this? We'll do this that if This is corresponding, okay, and this is entry of actual that when the Bob, okay, this is the actual entry of Bob. Now we want actually this, and we cannot find. There can be millions and millions of data. How can we find this? We will giving this. Give me. Okay, before that, I want to tell you something. We want this. So, okay. I want to tell you actually with what this is actually. Okay, wait. So I want to tell you is that if if in the names if the name equal to Bob, if the name equal to Bob, if the name is Bob, then it will give us true. And if it is true, then this will be printed. Then this will be printed. Okay, if you don't understand this, then let me do this. Okay, wait. Names equal to Bob. Not like this, not like this. We have names. Okay, we have names, and we want only Bob. Now you could see that if the name is equal to Bob, it is giving us true. If the name is not Bob, okay, see, this is Bob, give me true. This is not Bob, they give me false and true, and as well. So it is corresponding that if it is Bob's, okay, if it is the if Bob has come here and he got his money, okay, he got his money, then this is the corresponding entry to his. Now, what will give us that if it is true, okay, if it is true then it will also true, and if it is true, okay, this is corresponding. If this is true, this will be printed. If this is false, this won't be printed, and this is true, this will be printed. So this happens like this, that we have a condition this if for every data, okay, it will check for the every data, that it will go to the data and check that if name equal to, what will happen here is actually that first it will check that the names of name equal to Bob or not. You can see that the output that we got is here is actually true. We got here actually is true. Okay, true, false, true. It will go there and it will give instruction to the instruction to this array that give the entries that are true. Give the entry that is true, and if we uh, enter, if we run that cell, then we can see that it gave me only the arrays which are actually true. Okay, see, it was true, it gave me this. It was false, it did not give me. If it was false, it did not give me. If it is true, it gave me. And if I actually pass this instead of this, okay, if I actually pass this instead of this, then then I will then I will also get this output also. Okay, you could see this here. Okay, and this is how we do it. Now, what we want actually here is we want some more conditions. Okay, we need some more conditions, that data where names equal to Bob, and we want only the first. We want only the first entry, that we want only when the Bob went second time. We want the date of this. Okay, suppose the Bob went ATM to the second time, and we want only the data of the second time. That when he went on the second time, we want the data that how much money he has left in his account and how much money did he withdraw. Okay, this will give us that. Now we want more. That, are you getting what I'm trying to say? Like, it will only give that second time. When Bob went second time, it will give us the data of that. Now this names equal to Bob. Wait, Bob, and first this. Give me this only. Give me only the first. Okay, it will only give me the first, which is this. Okay, and the all the elements. Okay. Now we have another thing. We can also give that. Suppose that we date of Bob. What will we give? That we will do something that where the name is not equal to Bob. We wants else. Okay, it will be like this exclamation mark, not equal to. Okay, not equal to Bob. Not data. It will be names. Okay, it will be names. So here it is false because it is not equal to. Here it is not Bob. Here it is not Bob. If it is Bob, it will give false. If it is not Bob, it will give us true. Okay, this is how we do it. And we have some more ways to actually give by this, like giving tilde. Okay, and doing like this. Names equal to Bob. Okay, what is this going? Is this that if name equals to Bob, if it is not, then print. Okay, what is saying that not name equal to Bob's. Okay, so we'll print this. Yeah, we got this. Now we have another that we could also do this by wait. Yeah, this names equal to Bob. Okay, when name does not equal to Bob, give me that array also. Oh, sorry. This actually. Okay, with this. Wait, what names equal to Bob's? Wait, yeah, sorry. It won't be like this. Yeah, yeah, we got this. That where give me the places the name does not equal to Bob. Okay, and this will be like this. Now we have some more conditions, and in the condition we have to uh, keep in this mind that if there's a condition choose for the boolean, then we cannot use. Then we should only use these symbols. Okay, this and it is used for and. In Python we use and. Okay, and this or for or. Okay, this stick. This is stick. Okay, this is stick used for or if you're dealing with the boolean. Okay, now it is actually done in Python because we have to keep this in mind that we don't use any and or for the boolean context. Okay, if there is context with the boolean, then we don't use it. Yeah, if it is any other for the numerical thing, then we can use this. Okay, if there is anything for the numerical, then we can use it. Now, so I hope that you would have got this what the Boolean indexing is. If you have any doubt, then you could ask me in the Discord and the auto comment. So yeah, thanks for watching till now. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.